Holly, your litter tray's a mess. Take this bit of bale out actually. If I move this back here. What are you trying to eat there? Found a nice bit? I want to top that up. Oh, you want the bit I've taken out? Oh. Oh, sneeze! Achoo! Bless you! Is that a little bunny sneeze? Go on, knock it over. Go on, that was so close. Oh, you were so close to knocking that. Oh, I never sneeze. Is that hay, Dusty? Is that hay, Dusty? So we can play into hay box. Hey, what are you biting me for? Am I in your way? Oh, goodness me. Oh, and another sneeze. Oh my goodness. House. What are we going to do with you? Any more sneezes to come out?